how to look clean and put together. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. Tell me if this sounds familiar. You look in the mirror and think, I kind of want to look a little more polished today. Don't worry, we've all been there. In this video, I'm going to share my personal, easy tips that help me look clean, fresh, and put together without spending a ton of money or effort. Personal grooming. Looking clean always starts with the basics. Take a quick shower, use a light deodorant, brush your teeth. Trust me, these simple things already make a huge difference. For skincare, keep it simple. Gentle cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen. I swear by this routine. It keeps me glowing without a million products. And hair, even just brushing it or tying it in a sleek bun or ponytail makes you look instantly put together. Nails and makeup. Don't underestimate neat nails. Whether you keep them natural or go for a nude or French tip, tidy nails look classy every time. And makeup? Keep it light and natural. Think tinted moisturizer, blush, and lip balm. A little glow goes a long way. Clothing. Basics that work today. Okay, fashion time. A clean look starts with simple, timeless basics. Plain white tees, neutral tops or button-downs. A cozy hoodie that still looks chic. Black and white combos always look sharp. But honestly, find a palette that flatters your skin tone and makes you happy. The secret? Clothes that fit. Not too baggy, not too tight. And don't forget to iron or steam them. Wrinkles kill the polished vibe. Accessories and shoes. Accessories should enhance, not overwhelm. A simple watch, a classic belt, or a cute scarf can totally level up your look. Shoes. Keep them clean. Even sneakers look elevated when they're spotless. Minimalism and details. Looking put together is really about the details. Matching your belt and shoe colours. Making sure buttons are fastened. A light fragrance. Subtle, but memorable. These tiny things actually make the biggest difference. Confidence. Now here's the secret ingredient. Confidence. Stand tall, keep good posture, make eye contact, and most importantly, smile. A genuine smile is the best accessory you'll ever wear, because at the end of the day, looking clean and put together isn't about following strict rules. It's about finding simple habits that make you feel comfortable and confident in your own skin. And that's my simple girl's guide to looking clean and put together every day. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more lifestyle and beauty content. Sending you all the love, and remember, you've got this, bestie.